Okay, this is not a tutorial. I've never seen this problem before, but I'm gonna do my best to solve it and I'll explain my thought process while doing so. Okay, so I'm not immediately sure how to do it, but the idea is you have like some kind of data structure that stores key value pairs, but that these key value pairs can expire, and you basically just have to handle like setting a key value pair, getting a key value pair, and just like this other count method. Okay, so here's my idea. For the constructor, we'll say this dot count is equal to 0, and then this dot cache is equal to just like an empty object. My idea is that the keys should self-destruct, and to do that, I'm gonna say let's just worry about setting it first. This dot cache at key is equal to, and here we're going to store three things actually. We're going to store the value. We're going to store a boolean called expired, and that's going to be false. And then we're going to have like a function. Okay, see, the thing is, actually, I don't even need the function. The function just comes outside and says set timeout. So my idea is that this set timeout is gonna expire the key. So it'll say this dot cache at key dot expired is true. So we're gonna expire the key after this duration. Oh, and then this dot count minus minus, and then over here at the end we'll say this dot count plus plus, and then obviously this just returns this dot count. Dot get is also kind of simple. It'll say if this dot cache at the key dot expired is true, then don't do anything. Or I guess expired is true, sure. Okay, if it's false, then, so if it's not expired, then we just return the value that is stored there. Otherwise, it should return -1. And the last thing we need to do is, wait, what does this mean? If the same unexpired key already exists and false otherwise? So if the key doesn't exist yet, it returns false. But if it already exists, you just overwrite it. Okay, I'm just gonna return true for now because I'm not entirely certain what that is, but let's just run, see if there's errors. There are errors. Okay, I just spent a really long time trying to figure this out. So if I run it right now with these 3 lines commented out, it gets wrong answer, that's fine because I commented something out. But if I uncomment these lines and run, I get an error. So for some reason, this dot count produces an error. I don't know if it's a naming thing. I doubt it though, but I guess we can try that. What the frick? Okay, so it was a naming thing. Wow, that is absurd. Why can't I do this dot count? Is that like a, I don't know. I don't know. I'll search that up in my own time, but okay, for now we'll just call it size. It's pretty close because it's just the true and false. All I have to do is, it's because I'm returning true no matter what. I didn't implement this logic yet. The method should return true if the same unexpired key already exists. Before everything, I'm just going to check if this dot cache dot has own property, and let's have a return value. Sure, return value. So if it already exists, it should return true. Whoops, not like that, like this. And it has to be unexpired. So I will also check and this dot cache at the key dot expired is false. So it's not expired and it exists. Otherwise, return value is false. And then we're just going to return the return value. And that should work. Okay, it didn't get this one. Okay, I have figured out the issue. The issue is that this first set sets key 1 to expire in 50 milliseconds. And then this next one sets it to expire in 100 milliseconds, right? So what my code is saying is it expires this key 1 in 50 milliseconds, and then that means that at 120 it'll be expired because even though I was supposed to reset the expiry date, I didn't, right? I just set another expiry. And then this, like this 50 was put into this set timeout, right? This set timeout just ran, even though it wasn't supposed to run. It's gonna have a new property here called, I don't know, timeout. And we're gonna give it this. So this is gonna return like the reference to this timeout. And then if this, actually I guess I'll put it in here. Yeah. If you're not expired yet, and, or sorry, if the key already exists and it's not expired yet, we need to cancel the old timeout. So to do that, you would clear timeout, this.cache.timeout, or wait, at the key. And let's see if that works. It does not work. At the very end, we returned 1 when we should have returned 0. What is happening at the very end? It's a count. How's the count failing? Okay, so maybe it's just never expiring at this point. No, because it definitely expired here. I'm not sure, actually. Oh, okay, I know what the issue is. Basically, this.size++ is getting called twice, right? Because it's calling set twice. But then this.size minus minus is only getting called once because we're canceling one of the timeouts. Wait, no, I think that would work, yeah. Just put this.size++ in there, and then don't think too hard about it, and it'll work. Yeah, okay, let's try submitting this. Oh my god, we got it. Wow. And it's actually fast. What? And good memory. Okay, I don't know how. Wow, I was not expecting that. Okay, that was really scuffed, but that's the video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.